Packaged snacks often contain processed ingredients that taste good, but rarely satisfy your hunger or help you reach your long-term metabolic health goals. In this video, we'll take 2 snacks and transform them into glucose-friendly recipes you can make at home: a super tasty savory and sweet snack mix, and a quick and delicious smoothie bowl. And for a drink, we've made you a glucose-friendly version of a sugar-packed chai from that popular coffee chain. Let's get into it. First up, this sweet, spicy, steady mix of almonds, coconut flakes, and pepitas is a great snack to take anywhere. It's got a satisfying crunch and packs incredible flavor. To make it, you'll need 2 cups of unsweetened coconut flakes, ½ cup of pepitas, ½ cup sliced almonds, ¼ cup maple syrup, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, ½ teaspoon curry powder, and ½ teaspoon flaked sea salt. In a large bowl, mix everything except the sea salt. Get those ingredients nicely coated with the maple syrup. Then spread the mixture onto a baking sheet. For less mess, line it with parchment paper. Now, generously sprinkle the sheet with flaky sea salt. For the best taste and texture, use your best high-quality salt. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes, or until the coconut flakes and almonds are a nice golden brown. Let it cool, then store the mix in an airtight container to keep it fresh. You'll love the crunch from the coconut and almonds, and the curry powder adds a little kick. Our second recipe is a tropical smoothie bowl, perfect for those hot summer afternoons. Tropical fruits sometimes get a bad rap due to their high levels of natural sugars, but they also offer many potent vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. So we designed this recipe with healthy fats and protein to balance the sugar levels from the fruits to create a new glucose-friendly go-to. Here's what you need: 1 cup frozen mixed tropical fruits, 1 cup baby kale, 1 cup unsweetened fortified almond milk, 1 tablespoon chopped cashews, ½ cup silken tofu, and 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Blend the frozen fruits, kale, almond milk, and silken tofu until smooth. And don't worry, the silken tofu adds no flavor, just a great boost of protein. Pour the mixture into a chilled bowl, and then top it with chopped cashews and chia seeds. Perfect. Now you're ready to beat the heat with this sweet but smart tropical smoothie bowl. Our third and final recipe is a homemade chai. We're skipping the syrups and sugar-filled concentrates in favor of the real flavor, the spices. Here's what you'll need: ½ of a cinnamon stick, 4 whole cloves, 2 cardamom pods, 1½ cups water, ½ cup milk, 1½ tablespoons loose black tea, ½ teaspoon fresh grated ginger, and 1 teaspoon non-nutritive sweetener like allulose. First, grind the cinnamon, cloves, and cardamom until you've got a fine powder. On a stovetop, bring the water, tea, spice mix, and grated ginger to a boil. Real ginger adds a real kick, so if spicy isn't your thing, feel free to skip it. Once the mixture reaches a boil, add in a ½ cup of milk, or use low-sugar plant-based milk if you prefer. Return the mixture to a boil, strain the tea, add your sweetener of choice, and that's it. Your chai is ready to serve. The spices are balanced out by the milk and sweetener for a seriously satisfying sip. Now you've got 3 recipes to help you replace 3 popular processed snacks. They're all glucose-friendly and here to help you make small changes to improve your overall metabolic health. Enjoy!